In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the red flashing error light on your Pantum P2505W printer. You will see there is a red light flashing on the top, that's on the paper icon. That means there is a problem with the paper, so we have to fix it. Let's check if there is any paper jam. So if you open this section, we can see there is no paper jam, but there is a problem with the paper. The roller and the paper is not able to make a contact, so we have to fix that. Reinstall your ink toner. Now take the paper out completely and we have to reinstall it. So once your paper goes up to this line, you have to push it little bit extra, only then it will print. So we can see it has not gone completely in. You can remove the bottom page if it's stuck out. So it should go completely in, only then it will work. And now click on the cancel button and wait for the printer. So it is working, and this way we can fix the red flashing light on this printer. Thanks for watching.